I have seen the mistakes are committed by those people, mainly those people who are the guests of our class. Who are the guests of our class? They come only once in a week. They are the guests. They have many appointments. When they are free, they come, isn't it? Once upon a time, they come. Once in a blue moon, they come, show me the head for 5 minutes, they gayab ho jata hai, they go. So such people will not be able to understand or know what is told here. What is told here? You see, this is the platform, this is the class where I give you all the details about your studies. Whatever be the subject, all the exams, all the things about your learning and writing exams. That is the purpose of class 10, isn't it? Everything I share in this platform during my English period. So, if you don't come to this platform, you will not be able to understand or what to do and how to do. And you will do accordingly what you had done in the previous years. Clear now? So, you will commit many mistakes. And you will commit mistakes and you will not be able to know what is a mistake. So therefore, I tell you one thing, be on time in the platform, in the classes, and be attentive what is told, what I tell you. In the right sense, you have to attend. In every exam, before the exam, I tell you how to present the exam. What are the things? It will be repeatedly told. In every exam, before the exam, I will tell you, these are the exam, this is to come like this, you have to do like this, with all these things. So you have to keenly attend it. Because this year, I wish to prepare you to do the exams in a different level. How do you study in class 8, 9, 7? Not that much. Here we have to learn and write the exams, learn differently and write differently. Because your purpose will be valued by some others. So we have to present our paper in a better way. Here when we check, if you commit a mistake or a slight mistake, we can understand, that is well, always, Karthik, always he make the spelling mistake. So okay, tick, okay. But the person who is from outside will not be able to think like that. So that is why the importance of presentation is very important. Okay. When I went through your OMR sheet, I had a doubt. A number of students, I think they have misplaced the line, I think so. Because the bubbles are very nearby, isn't it? So when you choose the line, because answers are correct, but it is written in different question number. Suppose one set of question number 1 to 5. Its order is 1, 4, 1, 1, 1, 4. Or question number 3, box number 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2. So your 2, 3, 2, 3 is correct, but you have written the line different. So I doubt some have misplaced the line of question, bubble. You have chosen the fourth question, but you have marked in the column of third one or fifth one. That mistake I doubt some have done. So no problem. But next, you see, we are preparing for the board exam, isn't it? So here we will rectify our mistakes. So this you have to practice. Choose the question number and bubble it. And a few number, many have done properly shaded, but then a few students did not shade it properly. White color is projected there. That will not be read by the laptop, computer. So you will lose the mark. The round should be shaded fully. Okay. And main thing, these all things you can do by yourself practice. Main thing, contrary to other subjects, maths, science, social, contrary to that, English MCQ will be little difficult because English questions will be based, 90% questions will be based on connotation. Connotation. What does it mean? Yes, and I have given you a sample. That is the thing. You are not trained to do like that, isn't it? Such kind of questions. You are not trained to do such kind of questions. I know, but knowingly I have given you such a little tougher question. That means you should know what type of questions will come in literature, English. Generally, they will give you one brief sentence, half of the sentence, and they will ask, what did the writer intend? Clear now? For example, in ball poem, isn't it? Ball poem. In this way, they will ask what the writer intended with this. So, in order to write the answers correctly, you have to attend the class. That is why this much time I take for taking a class. Otherwise, I could read and go. I take enough time to explain. That is why I ask you, if you are there, what you will think? I ask you, isn't it? Suppose you are there, suppose you are Wanda, suppose you are Peggy, what you will be there? If you attend in such a way, then only you will be able to choose the answer, the correct answer. Okay, so attend the classes very well. Based on that, I am taking the classes. I take the classes in a little different level, to different level. So you have to raise your brain to that level. That level will be helpful for writing the 1 mark questions. Okay. Now, whatever the drawback is, whatever mistakes are done, you have to attend in the next exam perfectly, write properly. Suppose you see, if you don't practice like this, if you straight away go to board exam, OMR sheet, what will happen? What will happen? If you don't have any, this kind of 1 or 2 exams, without that, if you go to straight away S7 exam, what will happen? We will lose. We will lose mark. We will not be able to understand the type of questions. We will not have the brain to read faster. We will not have the training to mark it faster. So don't curse the exams. That is why we conduct the exams in order to train you. In order to train you. There are people who have the license to drive the car, but they have no courage to drive the car. One of the men, myself. I have the license for last around 40 years, but I don't have that much courage to drive a car. If somebody is there, I can drive, but I cannot. We are taking you through the exams. Take away the fear of that kind of, and train your brain to how to read and understand the questions. Okay, so don't worry about the marks. Marks may be lesser. That you know the mark, how much mark you would be there, isn't it? So don't think, don't be tense about the mark. What I am saying is that sometimes we think that MCQ questions, 1 mark questions, kilki kuti, isn't it? Here, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, anyway, we will get 5 marks. It is not like that. So don't go behind such kind of marks. Do always think this year, it is board exam year. Do always think about the perfection of your writing. There are some students, they have shaded very well, neatly, very neatly. I have noted on a paper all the remarks I have written. Shabby, neat, okay, good. I have written, kept with me. So don't worry about that. But these are the things, what I tell you, this is to rectify, understand the things. So take it and attend the class very seriously. I may tell some tamashas, I may tell some jokes. I may speak in that way, but there is the content behind that. So you have to attend the class little more actively. When I speak out of the textbook, you have to attend. So I tell you, underline. Those areas are very important. This kind of things will come there. Okay, Rohan?
Yes, sir.
Rohan, what happened, man? I can't see a smiling face on you. For last minimum 3 weeks, I am watching you. What happened to you?
Nothing.
Rohan?
Nothing.
Nothing, but I can't, I see something, every day I look at you. But many times I thought of asking you, what happened, Rohan? What happened, Rohan? Any problem?
No, sir. No. No, sir.
No problem. Do you have any difficulty to understand the classes?
No, sir.
No, I can't hear your voice. And I lovingly tell you, if anybody feels any difficulty to follow my class, am I going speedy? I am with speed. I can't hear you. What happened?
Sir, now I can hear.
What happened? Please tell me somebody. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now it's okay. What I am saying is that if you feel, don't be hesitant. I feel free. If you don't follow journaling, do you feel difficult? No. If you feel any portion, anything didn't understand, you should be free to ask me, sir, that drama I didn't understand. What did you do that drama? You can tell me, Shania, I do some more movie here. And if there is any, if you don't understand my movie, you can also tell me, sir, that portion cuts again, isn't it? So you can say, sir, cuts. So people will understand their own language, isn't it? That is why I told Shania to cut. So I will stop there and I will repeat. Sometimes the director will say 100 times and the actor has to repeat it 100 times. So in this way, if you don't understand any portion, you can very freely tell me, sir, this portion we didn't understand. Don't say that, sir, lesson you did not understand. That means you are a guest. You are not attending the class. So keenly attend. Sometimes, what I am saying, sometimes I may play a movie. I may play a drama. I may make a funny joke. But there is a content behind that you have to attend. Okay. So now let us go to the scientist. What is his name? Griffin. Okay. Let us go to Griffin. I think we have completed the first page. Am I right? So I will read from there last. First page is over. Am I right? No answer. Did we begin the lesson? Footprints without feet?
No, sir.
No. So maybe in the other class. Okay. So now we are coming to footprints without feet. Chapter number 5. You see, this is a very funny story, Christo. This is a funny story. A very nice cap, man. Give me on rent for 2 days. Okay. So, funny story. It's a kind of story. A soul is moving. Atma, soul, S-O-U-L. You cannot see the soul. A Prayadam is moving. You cannot see the Prayadam. Isn't it? Ghosts. But the thing is that in film there will be, we can see a lady with long hair, white sari, and she won't show the face, and the music will be there, cloud will be there, smoke will be there, mist will be there, and she will be moving silently. And we also will follow. Very great attraction is there. We are also following it. We can see in the movie like that. Adulya, without our knowledge, we will follow, we will move, our legs will go behind that. Here we have a man like that. His body cannot be seen. But wherever he walks, footprints are shown. Footprints are shown. Let us see who is that. Okay. Footprints without feet. The 2 boys, one is myself, one is you. Girls can also become boy, no problem. Here in this lesson, all the girls can become boys. So we are 2 boys. One is mine, one is you. The 2 boys started in surprise at the fresh, muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. What was a barefooted man doing on the steps of a house in the middle of a town? And where was the man? These are the questions. Answer we are going to see. So in the busy London city, everywhere people are there, walking here and there, busy city. In that city, 2 boys, Christo, we, myself and you. We saw footprints, muddy footprints. Muddy footprints. If you walk, if you get down outside on a muddy road and at your feet there is mud, and with that mud, if you enter your house, on the tiles there will be mark. Footprints will be there. In such a way, on a staircase, we saw footprints, but man is not there. The footprints are moving, but no figure is seen. Who is that man? As they gazed, as they looked, a remarkable sight met their eyes. As we looked, we were wondering. We cannot believe what had happened there. A fresh footmark appeared from nowhere. Nobody was there in front of us. Not a single person was there in front of us, but we could see footprints there. Footprints there. Further, footprints followed. Again, the feet are moving one after another. That means the man is walking. Man is walking. The footprints are moving towards. Further footprints followed one after another. Descending the steps, coming down from the top to the ground floor and progressing down the street and moving towards the street. A man is climbing down the staircase and moving to the market. Footprints are seen on the floor. Man is not seen so well. Be careful. Sometimes the footprint may come to you also. Be careful. Cautious. The boys followed. Soval and myself followed the footprints. Who is this? Coming to Karu, isn't it? To my house. Okay. The boys followed, fascinated, attracted, until the muddy impressions became fainter and fainter. You see, first steps, very clear steps. After some steps, it is less shadow is there. Some students are like that, OMR sheet. First bubbles are very, very black. At the last 30th or 25th questions, pencil is over. So very, 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 very light shade. That is why I told you, always sharpen the pencil, sharpen the pencil. When you write the OMR, sharpener should be nearby. Okay. So, until the muddy impressions became fainter and fainter, and at last disappeared altogether. Then there is no footprint. So, dark footprint, going ahead, very, very fainter and fainter, then there were no footprints. The explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. Explanation is very simple. What is that? The bewildered, the frightened boys had been following a scientist. Underline. The bewildered boys were following a scientist who had just discovered how to make the human body transparent. There was a scientist who was trying to make his body transparent like a glass. And he found it. He invented. So he is practicing. He is practicing. Christo's daddy brought a bike. Not TVS not. And he never expected. He was asking his father to get a cycle, gear cycle. Father told, if you get good marks in class 10, I will give you a motorcycle. He was asking a cycle, he told a motorcycle, and no hint of giving a cycle. But last Sunday, when Papa came in a not TVS latest scooter, and it was kept there, and he gave a key to Christo. Christo has no license, and it is lockdown also. What Christo will do? For the first 1 or 2 weeks, he will take the scooter and go to somewhere else, isn't it? He wants to show that I have a new scooter. Am I right? 2 weeks, if anybody says, Christo, will you go and get the things from the shop? I am ready because I can take the scooter. Whatever work you tell, Christo will do it. But the thing is that Christo will go with his scooter only. Am I right? So, what I am saying is that when we get something unexpected, we have the craziness, we have the intention to show it others. If I were there, I also will do, man. And so you can test, you can give me a new scooter, then I will show you. Then don't ask me back. Okay. Don't ask me back. Everybody will be doing like that. Suppose, Geraldine, if you get a very new dress, you will have the craziness to wear, isn't it? Oh, next online class, I will wear that dress. Am I right? If it is there, I can tell your papa to send a dress. That is why. No answer is there, so I will not tell. I will not tell. Okay, you lost one chance. Okay, otherwise next week you would have received a new dress, special dress. Chance is lost. Chance will not wait for anybody. You have to wait for the chance. Okay, lucky number. Okay. What I am saying is, here the scientist Griffin, one scientist, he was trying to make his body, Rachel, body transparent like glass, so that nobody shall see him. At last, he succeeded. So he was practicing it outside. That is the reason, you see. Griffin, the scientist, had carried out experiment after experiment to prove that human body could become invisible. Invisible. This is a story written by H.G. Wells by the name The Invisible Man. That is a summary. It's a novel. Summary is, we are studying the summary. Written by H.G. Wells by the name The Invisible Man. So, he succeeded in making human body invisible. Underline that sentence. Invisible, that nobody can, not visible. Finally, he swallowed, very dangerous thing. Finally, he swallowed certain rare drugs. And his body became as transparent as a sheet of glass. Underline. So don't take with this purpose to make your body transparent, don't take any unknown tablets from home. Sometimes mommy or papa might have kept some tablets on the top of the fridge. That's a place where it is kept. Don't go and take it. Because here he has taken some unknown tablet. By eating that, he became invisible. Though it also remained as solid as glass. So his body became solid as glass. Similarly, his body became as solid as glass. Similarly, but it was transparent and nobody was able to see it. Brilliant scientist though he was, brilliant student though he was, made mistakes in the OMR. Isn't it clear now? Brilliant student though he was, made mistakes, Delvin, made mistakes in OMR. Brilliant scientist though he was, Griffin was rather a lawless person. When we speak about scientist, the scientist will be a very decent man, isn't it? Scientist, a very well-educated, well-respected man would be decent, isn't it? In behavior. But here our scientist, our scientist is a lawless man, a number one, KD. Number one rowdy, number one villain, our scientist. Lawless man who does not obey the laws. Who does not consider the laws. His landlord disliked him. He was living in a rented house and his landlord didn't like him and wanted to eject him. Here the word is used, eject, pushing the neck and sending him out because he never paid rent. So he was living in a rented house and he was not liked by the landlord. So the landlord wanted to send him out. In revenge, in avenge, in vengeance, all the three words are same. In revenge, in avenge, A-V-E-N-G-E, in avenge, in vengeance, V-E-N-G-E-A-N-C-A. Write and keep it with, sometimes in MCQ it will come like that. Choose the suitable word. Clear now how many vocabulary meanings I am telling in the class. Many questions in literature will come. Use the synonym. What is not matching? Many questions will be like that. Does not. One question I have kept a capital letter so that you may note it. In two questions I did not write capital letter and many made mistake also. We take it considered that it would be like that. There is a not. So this match word you have to choose it. Many have chosen the matching word. So many synonyms I am saying in the class. Note it. I could see 2-3 children are always writing the whole words. I could see from here. Write all the words which I tell in the class. Your vocabulary will increase. It will help us. So, in revenge, in vengeance, Griffin set fire to the house. You see, a scientist. He set fire. He is living in a rented house and he set fire to the house. To get away without being seen, he had to remove his clothes. So he could make his body invisible. Clear now? Clear? Sean? He was able to make his body invisible, but he cannot change his dress invisible. Clear now? Do you follow? He cannot change the dress invisible. That will be visible. But he can change his body invisible. So if he wears dress, what will happen? The dress will be moving. People will catch you. So in order to, after burning the house, he wanted to save from the people. Otherwise people will beat him and kill him. So in order to save himself, he had to remove his dress. He had to become naked. He had to become naked, no problem. Nobody will see him. In Corona season, saving money is no need of purchasing dress. If we know the technique to make our body invisible, Navneet, Very good. No need of purchasing dress. Without dress we can go. Kizan, there is a technique, and if somebody uses that technique word, you will become visible. In Alibaba and 40 Thieves, isn't there? Kul ja sim sim, the cave will be opened. And if you enter there and you say, Band ho ja sim sim, the cave will be closed. And if you don't know how to repeat the same thing again, you will not be able to come out. And if there is anybody, any other person who knows the technique, and if he comes and says, Kul ja sim sim, what will happen? The cave will be opened and you will be caught by police. So, when you use this technique to make you invisible and walk around, be careful. If somebody says, visible ho ja sim sim, what will happen? Normally it will be visible without any clothes. So don't use this technique. Anjali Priya, very, very serious thing here it is. So he had to save himself from the hands of the people, for which he had to leave his dress. So he threw out the dress and he became invisible. My dear Lena, Ashna, Maria also double twins, Abin, Emrin, please be with me, please be with me. Okay. Time is over? Oh, okay. So, this paragraph I will read it. So, to get away without being seen, he had to, without clothes, without money. Thus it was that he became a homeless, underline, homeless wanderer. He became without clothes, number 2. He became without money, number 3. And what he has, he is invisible. He has only one thing. He possesses only one quality, that he is invisible. But he has no dress, he has no house, he has no money. Until he happened to step in some mud and left footprints as he walked. Like he was running away, at that time he fell into some muddy water. Then he walked, then footprints was coming there. The rest we will see in the next class. Okay. Thank you.